Hey everyone, welcome to MPV Vlogs. Alright everyone, welcome to MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom, really helps me out. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below, tell me what you think. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over some accessories for the Blackstone Grill. First one I picked up today is it's the rear grease gate and tool holder combo. $14 at Walmart. They have a stainless steel one. That one is $32. So we're going to try this out and see how it works. So let's put them on and I'll show you. It's three different things in one. So we'll show you. So let's go and put it on the grill. All right, so let's go here. We got to open this up. I see some zip ties on it, so I'm going to have to get a pair of scissors. So I'll be right back for that. All right, scissors are in hand. Ooh, a lot of cuts. So tell you what, I'm going to put the camera down and make the cuts, and I'll be right back with you. All right, first thing I have, it's actually a nice little piece. What it does is it goes on the side of the grill just like that. And what you do is you slide your spatulas in there. That's great. Let's see if I can get this out. There we go. This is the second piece. What you have on the back here, this is where the grease is pushed out, but as you can see, that's a pretty big hole. A lot of people report that the food goes out there. So this slides right over like that, and it ends up just being the oil that goes through there. These three here, I'll just show you on one. They are clips, and it's supposed to go right on here. That's how they go. So I'll be back with you with the other accessories. Okay, second thing I got is a felt mat to go underneath the griddle. And the reason I got this is this grease is going to be dropping and I don't want it to get onto my deck. Hopefully this is big enough. I think it will be. Yeah, that should be plenty big enough for the griddle. So this will go on the ground underneath the griddle. This is, I believe, the silicone mat. Which I'll show you once I'm done cooking. Yeah. This is a silicone mat that will go on the griddle itself, and what it does, it prevents any critters from coming up, going underneath the cover and getting onto the grill itself. So once the grill cools off, I'll show you how this goes on. This one's heavy. Now this is the big one. This is all of my accessories that I need to cook, along with the case that's supposed to come with, hopefully. Wow. I got two presses. I'm going to use the round one for burgers, and I'm going to use the rectangle one for bacon or anything else like that. It's a must. And this is okay. I have an accessory kit by a company called MeBoat. Two spatulas, fish spatula, scraper, tongs, brush. You're supposed to have two of these covers. There's only one showing on this. Two water things. Looks like a lot missing from this. It's supposed to be 140 pieces. They might not be happy here. I think don't look like they sent me the right one. Oh, okay. Yeah, they did. Okay, so we have the grill scraper here that I'll use. Got two thermal gloves. Not sure what these are. I'll have to look up to see what those are. We got a nice pastry brush. Okay. This here, Blackstone sells something similar to this for like $40. Is to make stuffed burgers. You got a scrubbing brush. Yeah. 2 egg rings. A meat infuser. Wow, these are tiny. They make them look so much bigger on the website. Spice. Wow, those are tiny. 2 handles, which I'm assuming are for the 2 covers. Some hooks, I'll have to figure out what these are for. 2 spray bottles. Tongs, which I'll be using. 3 spatulas and a fork. I'll be using those. And a bunch of skewers. And then a grill scraper. And this one's actually got some weight to it. It's actually kind of good. And then, yeah, I'm supposed to put all of that in here. And I don't think that's going to happen. Holy mackerel. Really? But that's the accessories that I got. It really wasn't bad. This was $28 for the 140 pieces, so I really can't complain. Actually, not too upset with it. The spatulas are the main things that I wanted. The egg rings are going to be nice. This will be nice to make stuffed burgers. These will be nice so I don't burn my hands. Okay, and the covers, those are going to be great. So put those in. Like I said, these I'm going to be using. So let me put these by the grill. But that's it. That's the accessories that I got from Walmart for my Blackstone grill. So our next step is we're going to do some cooking. So that'll be on the next video. So go ahead and check these out. I'll put a link to these below. Walmart, like I said, they were $28 for them. The silicone mat was a separate order. And same thing with the felt mat. That was a different order too. So can't beat it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I said, if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'll give you more of a response of how good these products are. Like I said, they're not top of the line. They're not the extreme Blackstone ones, but they're about 1/10 of the price of the Blackstone. So let's get to some cooking on this. That'll be on our next video, so check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again real soon.